Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna show you this kind of like shimmery, easy eye look where I use a light color, a medium color, and a dark color using only shimmery colors, and it's honestly one of the easiest looks to create. So can't wait for you guys to see how to do this. Now the first thing I did was my brows, which I always do off camera. But I like to use this Fluff and Brows product from Huda Beauty. I was just using it and I still had my camera on, so I felt like why not keep this in the video because I never show any parts of my brows. If you guys like it when I do my brows first and then dive into the eye look, let me know. I could do that a couple of times if you guys are interested. But yeah, after doing my brows, I went in with the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. As you can see, I still have eczema on my other eyelid. Super annoying. Today I went to a dermatologist, which was not helpful at all. But I will tell you that in the comment section. So if you're curious how my eczema journey is going, check the comment section where I will give you guys an update. But yeah, first I primed my eyelids and then I went in with this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna put all the products in the description bar in case you're curious what the exact names are. So I'm gonna start with this super light shimmery color, which has a little bit of a pinky cool tone undertone. And I'm just gonna use a flat brush and pop this in the inner corner, or like the beginning part of the eyelid. And I'm gonna like apply it quite high. That's what I wanted to say, quite high. Kind of like towards my crease area, because I'm not going in with any crease shades. So this is gonna be all over the eyelid. So first I used that super light color and then I went in with this golden color, which I'm gonna apply right next to it. Kind of like in the center part of the eyelid and also slightly on top of that previous color that I used. This way that super light color melts together with this golden color. So make sure you also kind of tap it on top of the other color to make it look more seamlessly into each other. After that I went in with my finger just to give it a little bit more color payoff. I feel like with your finger it always grabs more product and you will get more eyeshadow on your eyelid for some reason. Then after that I went in with this color, which is more like a coppery shade. And doing the same thing, but now doing this at the outer part. First I used a brush and then I used my finger again to get more color payoff. And that's actually all you have to do. Just make sure that these shades blend into each other and that's all you need to do. Super easy. And I just love the effect that it gives because you can still see those three different shades, but they blend nicely into each other and you just get a really beautiful shimmery effect on your eyelid. So after that I went in with a clean brush and kind of wiped away the excess product. Then I went in with a mixture of those two shades and used that for underneath the lower lash line. Now you could also go in with the shimmery colors and apply them underneath the lower lash line, but I wanted to keep the focus on the eyelid and do the lower lash line just matte to keep it a little bit more softer. And after this I'm gonna use kind of like a similar pencil color in the waterline, which has the same undertone as that brown shades that I just blended underneath the lower lash line. What I personally really like about brown pencils is that it really pops the eye color. Doesn't matter if you have blue eyes, green eyes, brown eyes. Are there any other eye colors? I don't think so. Brown just looks super pretty, and especially with a warm undertone, it pops your eye color. Super pretty. So I used this one, which is by Makeup by Mario in the color Soft Brown. Then I went in with a lash curler. And after this, I went in with some mascara. For this look, I'm not going in with any false lashes because I wanted to keep this eye look as simple and quick as possible. So you can also wear this for work or like a special occasion. But if you don't have a lot of time, I feel like lashes just take a few minutes too long if you're in a hurry. So you can definitely only do mascara and it will still look super pretty. Of course, if you have some extra minutes, lashes always make it look even more prettier in my opinion. But for the sake of this video, to keep it more soft and simple, I went only with mascara and I used the Maybelline Sky High mascara. I almost forgot the name. But yeah, this is almost the end of the video. I still have eczema on this eyelid that you can see right now, so that one looks a little bit dry. But the other eye, I don't have any eczema, thankfully, so I can still show you guys the result on a normal eyelid with no dryness going on. But for today's video, I did decide to apply it on both eyes, regardless of my eyelid to be super dry. I just wanted to show you how it looks on both eyes. I just feel like it looks better in comparison to showing the end result on only one eye. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. It's super easy and you can do this with any color combination. You can also use like a light color in the inner part, a darker blue in the middle part, and an even darker blue. You can use any color combination. So let me know if you're gonna try it out. Don't forget to tag me on social media if you do try it. I would love to see your recreation. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!